West 48 is a modern conference center in West Des Moines, Iowa. This high-tech event space creates a warm and inviting atmosphere and is ideal for hosting presentations, workshops, lunches, retreats, and more. It offers an extraordinary experience that leaves attendees raving. The main space at West 48 features a 28-foot stage, two 11-foot screens, and seating for up to 100 people. Customize your event space with flexible seating, dynamic lighting, and branded display screens to match your unique vision. Experience hassle-free audio and video with our advanced equipment. We provide multiple microphone options, a confidence monitor, and a simple AV system to elevate your presentation. In addition to the main space, West 48 has flexible breakout spaces. Choose from our large conference room for bigger groups or our smaller room for more private gatherings. We even have a podcast studio for recording your next project. When you host an event at West 48, you'll have full access to the kitchen area. You are welcome to bring in your own food and beverages at no additional cost, or our event coordinators are happy to offer ideas for trusted catering in the area. West 48 also offers beverage packages for your guests. West 48 is a unique modern space that allows for creativity and fun during your event. It's a place to hang out, learn, connect, and innovate. Interested in scheduling your event? Contact us today and we'll be happy to help.